Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to download and use Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a free video editor from Microsoft. It can be the best free alternative to CapCut. To download Clipchamp, in Windows, search Store and click Microsoft Store. Search Clipchamp. Select Microsoft Clipchamp from the results. And this is the app. Install it. I have already installed it, so it is giving me option to open it from here. So after installation, open it. And here it is. Now from home, we can start by clicking Create a new video panel. We can also choose a template to start with. If we create a new video, a blank canvas opens up in front of us. We can import media, including images and videos, and start editing the video from here. We can import from PC or from online cloud services. At the left, we have option to record video and edit here. We have content library. It has free images, backgrounds, shapes, audios, and videos to use in our video project. We also have ready-to-use drag and drop text effects. We have transitions to use between our clips. Basically everything you may need is here. If we go to templates section, let me delete this. We have a wide variety of options here to choose from. We can select the category or we can search for the templates. I'll select YouTube category, and here I have beautiful video templates to choose from. Let's select this. Add to timeline. When we select a template, it will be imported to the library. You can remove the audio and choose a different audio if you like from content library. Just drag and drop the audio below. We can play the video by clicking play button. See the preview at any time in the video. Select the clips, transitions, double-click any element to modify it. Apply or edit transitions, add audio or video, cut or split the video by clicking the scissor icon. Basically drag, drop, adjust elements like we do in CapCut. When you are done, you can hit export button at the top right corner. For free, you can export 1080p high quality video. You can also choose to export audio only or store your export in the cloud. And then finally, you can hit the export button to save the output. So this is how you can download, install, and use a free CapCut alternative in Windows. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.